Ethereum price prediction in 2023. The realm of cryptocurrencies has transcended mere technological innovation to become a socio-economic phenomenon, with Ethereum, ETH, positioned at its epicenter. Akin to an indomitable force, Ethereum has redefined the contours of blockchain technology, sculpting an intricate landscape that encompasses not only financial systems but also decentralized applications, dApps, and novel concepts like decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs. As the calendar pages turn to the eagerly anticipated year of 2023, the tantalizing prospect of Ethereum's price trajectory consumes the collective attention of investors, analysts, and enthusiasts alike. Historical context: Ethereum's odyssey thus far. To predict the undulating voyage of Ethereum's price in 2023, a retrospective gaze upon its evolution becomes imperative. Launched in 2015 by the visionary Vitalik Buterin, Ethereum magnanimously introduced the world to the concept of smart contracts. This innovation unlocked a Pandora's box of possibilities, enabling developers to script self-executing contracts on its blockchain, thereby democratizing the application of blockchain technology. The years that unfurled since Ethereum's inception witnessed the platform metamorphose into a launchpad for countless transformative projects, sparking the inception of decentralized applications that thrive on the principles of transparency and autonomy. Market analysis: deconstructing Ethereum's performance in 2022. As the sands of time continue to sift, deciphering the historical performance of Ethereum in 2022 is a pivotal endeavor. The annals of that year chronicled a riveting saga of price fluctuations, mirroring the roller coaster ride characteristic of the broader cryptocurrency landscape. The curtain lifted with Ethereum gallantly surging to an all-time high ETH of approximately $5,000 during the maiden quarter. However, as if in choreographed symphony with the market's temperament, this crescendo was swiftly succeeded by a precipitous descent that saw Ethereum relinquishing over half of its ETH valuation. In dissecting these oscillations, a labyrinthine array of causative factors emerges. Regulatory overtones, technological enhancements epitomized by Ethereum 2.0's promise, and the mercurial sentiment that governs markets collectively waltz to script Ethereum's narrative. This kaleidoscope of triggers underscores the intricate web that must be untangled to forecast Ethereum's voyage through 2023. Ethereum 2.0, the architectural metamorphosis. Looming on the horizon, a watershed moment beckons in the form of Ethereum 2.0's culmination. This seismic upgrade is poised to sculpt Ethereum's future by redefining its architecture. Central to this transformation is the transition from the energetically intensive proof-of-work (POW) consensus mechanism to the ethereal realm of proof-of-stake (POS). Beyond just expunging inefficiencies and mitigating environmental concerns, this transition heralds heightened scalability, security, and sustainability. Ethereum's voyage to 2.0 could potentially instigate an exponential revaluation of its worth, as investor trust soars on the wings of technological optimism. The symphony of DeFi and NFTs, protagonists of Ethereum's epoch. No discourse on Ethereum's trajectory can be complete without an ode to its prodigious role in catalyzing the DeFi and NFT revolutions. The surge of decentralized finance has bestowed upon Ethereum the mantle of a financial juggernaut, birthing lending, borrowing, and yield farming ecosystems that thrive within its blockchain. Concurrently, the phenomenon of non-fungible tokens has reframed artistic expression, irrevocably altering the paradigms of digital ownership and value attribution. These twin phenomena, inextricably linked to Ethereum, etch a narrative of exponential demand that could inexorably influence Ethereum's valuation in 2023. Regulatory rhapsody: navigating turbulent seas. The contemporary cryptocurrency sphere unfurls against a backdrop of regulatory symphony that alternates between harmonious concord and cacophonous dissonance. The echo of regulatory decisions resonates globally, cascading into the valleys and crests of market sentiment. Clarity in regulatory directives and a conducive environment could orchestrate an influx of institutional capital, propelling Ethereum toward new pinnacles. Sentimental sonnets and exogenous echoes. Sentiment, a capricious muse, undeniably weaves its sonnets into Ethereum's price fabric. The ripples of positive news, strategic collaborations, and endorsements can inflate sentiment, elevating prices. Conversely, the dissonance of security breaches or macroeconomic storms can lead to cascading sell-offs. The mystical interplay between internal sentiment and external catalysts remains a cardinal influence on Ethereum's trajectory. Crystal ball gazers and their prophecies. As seers gaze into their crystal balls, the Ethereum price predictions for 2023 emerge in kaleidoscopic diversity. A spectrum of voices, each flavored by experience and analysis, interlaces conservative projections rooted in historical trends with bolder prophecies catalyzed by technological leaps and burgeoning adoption. However, the inherently unpredictable nature of the cryptocurrency landscape underscores the prudence of embracing these predictions with cautious optimism. The unpredictable wild card: black swans and unforeseen events. Within the intricate tapestry of Ethereum's potential price trajectory for 2023, the specter of black swan events looms large. These unforeseen and extraordinary incidents, often with profound consequences, can arise suddenly, disrupting even the most carefully constructed predictions. Historical examples such as regulatory crackdowns, major technological vulnerabilities, geopolitical shifts, or macroeconomic crises remind us that the realm of cryptocurrencies is not immune to such disruptive occurrences. While efforts can be made to model and analyze potential scenarios, the very nature of black swans underscores the inherent uncertainty of this domain. Decentralization stance, community, and governance. At the heart of Ethereum's resilience and growth lies its vibrant and engaged community. Ethereum's decentralized governance model empowers its users and stakeholders to participate in decision-making processes that shape the platform's evolution. This participatory approach contributes to the network's adaptability and fosters a sense of ownership among its users. However, the delicate dance between decentralization and effective decision-making remains a pivotal factor in Ethereum's journey, influencing both its technological advancements and its market perception. The quest for adoption, mainstream integration. As Ethereum navigates the dynamic landscape of 2023, the pursuit of mainstream adoption continues to be a pivotal pursuit. Integration with traditional financial systems, collaborations with established corporations, and user-friendly applications could collectively catalyze Ethereum's journey from the fringes of technology enthusiasts to the forefront of global economic systems. The extent to which Ethereum can seamlessly intertwine with existing structures while preserving its core principles will be a defining factor in its valuation. The long view. Beyond 2023. While this exploration endeavors to shed light on Ethereum's potential in 2023, it's essential to acknowledge that the true impact of the platform's innovations and ecosystem-building efforts may extend well beyond this single year. Ethereum's narrative is part of a broader technological evolution that has the potential to reshape industries, redefine trust, and empower individuals on a global scale. As such, considerations about Ethereum's long-term value and influence on society are as crucial as short-term price projections. In this intricate tapestry of factors, Ethereum's price in 2023 remains a captivating enigma, one that draws attention from investors, technologists, analysts, and enthusiasts alike. Just as Ethereum's journey has been marked by innovation, disruption, and resilience, so too will its trajectory through 2023 be shaped by the interplay of technological advancement, market dynamics, regulatory landscapes, and the collective human spirit that fuels its ecosystem. As the pages of 2023 unfold, Ethereum's story continues to be written in a language of innovation, uncertainty, and boundless potential. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.